Thousands of Utah families are struggling with the vast and varied impacts of COVID-19. In many situations, loved ones have been isolated from others in their family for months now. News specialist Jed Bull introduces us to a West Jordan family trying to maintain the bond with their father. Jed?
Yeah, long-term care facilities have had a very tough time keeping the virus out. To do that, they have to keep the families out, away from their loved ones at a time when they need them the most. And that separation can be agonizing.
We didn't see him face to face since March.
Jamie Gordon and her 3 children have not seen her 45-year-old husband, Jaron, since COVID-19 hit Utah.
So his frontal lobe is pretty much gone, and so he acts like a child.
13 years ago, Jaron was diagnosed with a rare brain illness called metachromatic leukodystrophy that causes dementia and makes him behave like a toddler. A year ago, when she could no longer care for him, Jamie moved Jaron into Sandy Health and Rehab.
I didn't know what I was going to come home to after work, and I just couldn't do it anymore.
When he was diagnosed with COVID-19 3 days ago, Jamie's fears intensified.
That he would get it and die fast.
40 residents and 20 employees have tested positive for COVID-19. With the exception of a couple of window visits and a video chat, no contact for more than 3 months.
And I think the window's harder for him because he doesn't understand why we're outside and he's inside.
21-year-old Raquel is eager for a real visit.
When I was a kid, I was always a daddy's girl. And I knew him before he was like this. So it's hard not being able to see him at all.
Their father has been acting like a child since 16-year-old Braxton was a child.
And I went from babysitting him for hours a day and seeing him every day, seeing him 4 times a week, and then now I don't get to talk to him at all.
Often it is the laughter they get from Jaron's childlike behavior that keeps them going.
And if we didn't laugh, we'd probably be crying all day.
Yeah, a good sense of humor is critical for that family. They do appreciate the regular updates that they get from the nursing home, but the visiting restrictions that must be in place just make it a very challenging time for their family. Guys?
We wish that family the best of luck. Jed Bull in Salt Lake County tonight. Thank you, Jed.